Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 5 Trigonometric Functions, Long Question Example 6. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the example 6 question now. Okay, within this example 6 question, it consists of two-part question guys, which is part A and part B. Okay, for the part A, they ask you to prove that cotangent theta plus 1 over cotangent theta is equals to 2 over sine 2 theta. Okay, for the question part B, it is given that tangent A is equals to 3 sec 7 such that A is an acute angle. Without using a calculator, find the values of cos A and cos A over 2. So these are the respective questions guys. So I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start our discussion for the example 6, question part A guys. Alright, let us begin our discussion for the question part A. So for the question part A, they ask us to prove that cotangent theta plus 1 over cotangent theta is equals to 2 over sine 2 theta, okay? Where you need to prove that left hand side is equals to right hand side guys. Okay, let me show you the full working now. So let us begin. Okay, in this case, we're going to use the left hand side part and then we're going to prove it such that this left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which is 2 over sine 2 theta. Okay, so let us continue to the next step. Okay, so from here, this cotangent theta plus 1 over cotangent theta, so we combine them together into one single fraction. So from here, you should get cotangent square theta plus 1 over cotangent theta. Okay, so this concept is similar to a fraction guys. So in order to combine into one, so you need to times it by the denominator value. Okay, in this case, our denominator value is cotangent theta. So that's how you get this working guys, cotangent square theta plus 1 over cotangent theta. Okay, let us continue to our next step. Okay, since 1 plus cotangent square theta is equals to cosecant square theta, so this is one of the trigonometric identities formula guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this cosecant square theta and we're going to substitute into the numerator over here. Okay, let us proceed to our next step. So from here, you rewrite here cosecant square theta over cotangent theta. Okay, so this will be a new working. Okay, let us proceed to the next step. Okay, as you all know, cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. So cosecant square theta is also equals to 1 over sine square theta. So you substitute in terms of sine guys. So your cosecant square theta will be 1 over sine square theta. So this is for the numerator. Okay, as for the denominator, your cotangent theta is equals to 1 over tangent theta. Your tangent theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta. So your cotangent theta will be inverse guys, so cos theta over sine theta. So I hope you understand the relation over here guys between tangent theta and cotangent theta. Okay, so let us continue to our next working. So 1 over sine square theta divided with cos theta over sine theta, so this one will become times, so the numerator we will flip. Okay, 1 over sine square theta times with sine theta over cos theta. Okay, so this sine theta will cancel off. Okay, will become 1. Okay, this sine square theta, the square will remove, will only have sine theta over here. Okay, so you only left is 1 over sine theta cos theta over here. Okay, let me proceed the remaining working to the next page. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, so based on the previous working, so we have formed that 1 over sine theta cos theta. Okay, this is our latest working. Okay, Since sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, so we can form the relation in terms of sine 2 theta, guys. But we only have sine theta cos theta here. So how we can relate this to form in terms this relation? So I'm going to show you now. So sine theta cos theta is also equals to 1 over 2 sine 2 theta, guys. So I hope you get the relationship over here. So what you do, this 1 over 2 sine 2 theta, you substitute into the denominator over here. Okay, so from here, you should get 1 over 2 sine 2 theta. So this 1, you divide with 1 over 2. So it will become 2, guys. So the 2 will move into the numerator. Okay, so from here, you should get your final answer, 2 over sine 2 theta. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, as you see over here, we have already successfully proved the equation where your left hand side is equals to right hand side. In this case, our right hand side is 2 over sine 2 theta. Okay, let me proceed to the question part B now. Alright, let us start our discussion for the question part B now. Okay, so as you see, based on the question, we have already formed a trigonometric triangle over here, guys. As you can see, we have formed a right angle triangle. So where you have your angle of A, you have here the height of the triangle 3 thirds 7, and your base is 1. Okay, how you can form this triangle? Okay, like they already give in the question where your tangent A is equals to 3 thirds 7. Okay, tangent formula, remember guys, you form a tangent from opposite, you divide with adjacent. So in this case, this 3 thirds 7 will be your opposite, where your height of the triangle, and the 1 will be your adjacent. Okay, so this is your length of the base, and this is the length of the height of the triangle where you have 3 thirds 7. Okay, so from here, let us continue. So to find cos A, what we're going to do, so cos, the formula of cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, but then we don't know the value of hypotenuse. So the first step is what we need to do is we need to find the hypotenuse, guys. So how to find the hypotenuse? So we're going to use the Pythagoras theorem over here in this case, where you need to use c square is equals to a square plus b square, guys. So this c square stands for the hypotenuse. So to find the c, what you do, you square root the summation of the a square plus b square. Okay, so I hope you understand. So from here, the h, okay, I write here h here, guys. So in order for you to understand, so this h is stand for the hypotenuse. So h is equals to 3 thirds 7 square plus 1 square. Okay, 3 square you get is 9, 7 you get is 7. So 9 times 7 you get is 63. So 63 plus 1 is 64. So square root 64, you should get your h is equals to 8. Okay, they didn't mention whether the 8 is meter or centimeter. So you just leave your h in the number form, guys, where your h is equals to 8. Okay, let us continue to the next step. So once you know your hypotenuse value, so the next step will be quite easy, guys. So since you know that your cos, you can form using adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, your adjacent is 1 and your hypotenuse we have already find here is 8. So from here, you should get your cos A is equals to 1 over 8. So this is your final answer for the question B part 1. Okay. As for the question B part 2, they ask us to find the value of cos A over 2. Okay, which you have half angle formula, guys. So to find half angle formula, what you do? So you use this formula where cos A over 2 is equals to square root 1 plus cos A over 2, guys. So this is the formula involved. Okay, cos A you have already find here, which is 1 over 8. 1 plus 1 over 8 you divide with 2. You should get 9 over 16, and then you square root the value. From here you should get cos A over 2 is equals to 3 over 4. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.